Greetings folks, welcome to another chat at the engineering desk. Today I'm going to quickly talk you through the slicing of the cube, which I made a video earlier on and I've shared with you guys. So I've already got my 3D printer software open here on the left, XYZ way, and then we can see the model that we created in Design Spark. What I now need to do is slice it and tell it how I want the printer to print it. So I'm going to select export and I'm going to just use default settings. So excellent would give me a fine finish with 100 micron layers. Good gives me 200 micron layers. My printer only does PLA. And the other option I've got is selecting whether or not I want a raft, and in this case probably not, because it's a fairly big object. With small objects a raft is sometimes preferable, otherwise delamination can happen during printing. So let's hit the export. It's going to ask us for a file name and it's going to become a 3-way file. I'm going to say save. That'll do. I haven't got my machine's card in the PC, so I'm just going to save it to my documents on this machine. And there's busy slicing it. And that was a fairly big cube. And I'm also rendering another video in the background, but yeah, it's done alright. There we go. It says it's 4 hours to make the cube, 10% volume, about 18 meters of filament, and there we go. It's done it. So if we want a little pen holder for the desk or something like that, I can put it in the machine, it will make it. That's how we do the slicing after we designed our project. So, thanks for watching this with me. Take care, keep it classy. Cheers.